So you've got a YouTube channel and you're wondering, how do I make this thing blow up? Well, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to share with you the ultimate blueprint to boost your YouTube channel in just days. No fluff, no gimmicks, just actionable steps you can start taking right now. I've been there trying to figure out the magic formula to get those views, likes, and subscribers. And let me tell you, it's not as complicated as you think. Alright, grab your notepad, because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to take your channel from zero to hero. We're talking titles, thumbnails, content creation, social media, everything you need to know. Let's dive in and start transforming your YouTube journey today. First things first, if your titles and thumbnails don't catch people's eyes, it doesn't matter how great your content is. Think of your title and thumbnail as the cover of a book. Make them intriguing, make them clickable. But here's the kicker, don't be misleading. Your title and thumbnail should accurately represent your content. A disappointed viewer is a lost viewer. Spend extra time crafting these elements. Use bold, readable fonts for your thumbnails. Incorporate vibrant colors and compelling images that hint at the video's content. A good practice is to ask yourself, would I click on this? If the answer is no, go back to the drawing board. Remember, this is the first impression you're making on potential viewers. If you nail this, you're already halfway there. So, don't rush this step, it's crucial. Once you've got people clicking on your videos, it's the content that'll keep them coming back. High-quality content doesn't necessarily mean expensive gear or fancy effects. It's about value. Are you solving a problem, entertaining, or educating your viewers? Focus on content that resonates with your target audience. Start with a strong hook in the first few seconds to grab attention. Then keep the energy up throughout the video. Plan your content, but also leave room for spontaneity. Authenticity is key. Be yourself because that's what people connect with. And don't forget about the production value. Good lighting, clear audio, and steady footage go a long way. Invest in the basics, a decent camera, a good microphone, and some lighting. These small tweaks can make a big difference in how professional your videos look and feel. Keywords are your best friends when it comes to getting discovered on YouTube. Do your research. Find out what keywords are trending in your niche and incorporate them into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Tools like TubeBuddy or Vidicue can be really helpful for this. Think about what your audience is searching for. What problems are they trying to solve? What questions do they have? Use these insights to craft your keywords, but remember, don't overstuff. It needs to flow naturally and make sense. The more relevant your keywords, the higher your chances of appearing in search results. This can significantly increase your visibility and attract more viewers to your channel. So, spend some time on this step. It's worth it. Your YouTube content shouldn't just live on YouTube. Share it across all your social media platforms. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Reddit. Each platform has its own unique audience that you can tap into. Tailor your post to fit the platform. For example, create a teaser clip for Instagram, or a discussion thread on Reddit. Engage with communities that are relevant to your niche. Share your video in groups, forums, and pages where your potential viewers are hanging out. But here's the thing, don't just drop your link and run. Engage in conversations, provide value, and build relationships. The more places your content lives, the more opportunities there are for people to discover it. So, get out there and start promoting. This is about working smarter, not harder. Collaboration is a powerful tool for growth. Find other YouTubers in your niche and look for opportunities to collaborate. This could be in the form of guest appearances, shoutouts, or even co-creating content. The goal is to tap into each other's audiences and introduce your channels to new viewers. When collaborating, make sure it's mutually beneficial. You want to work with creators who share a similar audience size and engagement level. The partnership should feel natural and authentic. Reach out with a solid pitch and be clear about what you're offering and what you hope to achieve. Good collaborations can lead to long-term relationships and ongoing support, so don't underestimate the power of a good team-up. Engaging with your audience is key to building a loyal community. Respond to comments on your videos, ask for feedback, and take the time to get to know your viewers. This not only boosts your engagement metrics, but also makes your audience feel valued and heard. Take advantage of social media to further connect with your audience. Host Q&A sessions, create polls, or simply share more about your personal life. The more you engage, the more invested your audience will become in your content. Remember, these are real people taking the time to watch your videos. Show them you appreciate their support. Building a community is about creating a two-way street of communication and trust. If you've got some budget to spare, YouTube ads can be a great way to boost your channel's visibility. You can target specific demographics and interests, ensuring your content reaches the right audience. Start small, test different ad formats, and see what works best for your channel. Creating a compelling ad is crucial. Make sure it's engaging, concise, and clearly showcases the value of your content. You want to hook viewers within the first few seconds. Monitor your ad performance closely. Look at metrics like views, watch time, and subscriber growth to gauge your ad's effectiveness. Adjust your strategy as needed and keep experimenting to find the perfect formula for your channel. Consistency is key when it comes to YouTube growth. Develop a posting schedule and stick to it. Whether it's once a week or twice a month, make sure your audience knows when to expect new content from you. This helps build anticipation and keeps your viewers coming back for more. Create a content calendar to plan ahead and stay organized. This will also help you manage your time better and ensure you're consistently putting out high-quality content. Consistency doesn't just apply to your posting schedule, it's also about maintaining a consistent style and tone across your videos. This builds your brand identity and makes your channel more recognizable. Watch time and retention are crucial metrics for YouTube's algorithm. The longer viewers stay on your videos, the more likely YouTube is to recommend your content. Focus on creating engaging content that keeps viewers hooked from start to finish. Start strong with a compelling hook, keep the middle interesting, and end with a bang. Use storytelling techniques, add visual elements, and maintain a good pace throughout the video. Encourage viewers to stay till the end by teasing what's coming up next or offering a special surprise. The goal is to keep your audience engaged and make them want to watch more of your content. Staying relevant is crucial in the fast-paced world of YouTube. Keep an eye on trends and current events in your niche and incorporate them into your content. This not only makes your videos timely, but also increases your chances of being discovered by a larger audience. Use tools like Google Trends or social media platforms to identify what's currently popular. Create content that offers a unique perspective or valuable insights on these trends. But remember, don't just chase trends for the sake of it. Make sure it aligns with your brand and provides value to your audience. Relevance and authenticity should always go hand in hand. And there you have it, folks. Your blueprint to boosting your YouTube channel in days. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Experiment with these strategies, see what works best for you, and keep pushing forward. Consistency, quality, and engagement are your best friends in this journey. So, what are you waiting for? Start implementing these tips today and watch your channel transform. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with fellow creators. Let's grow together.